Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing wills in Thailand, specifically discussing corporate assets. And generally speaking, what I mean here is, for example, stock in Thai companies, be they publicly traded or be they sort of private companies. Can one's assets, one's shareholding, be conferred in a Thai will? Long stories, well, let's say will to begin with. With respect to a will that's created, drafted outside of Thailand, it may or may not be relevant to Thai assets, especially depending on how it's drafted and formalized. If it does not comport to rules in Thailand with respect to the formalities associated with wills, you could have problems in probate, what we would call probate, what's actually called succession in Thailand. In the Thai system, it's a civil code system. You may have problems with that. You may have problems processing that will and conferring or conveying those assets to the requested beneficiary. So that could be a major issue with respect to a will that is not drafted in line with relevant Thai laws and rules. Now that said, a Thai will, yeah, generally speaking, you're going to be able to have a Thai will which can convey to one's bequest to one's heirs, can convey that property, be it Thai stock, for example, publicly traded stock, privately traded stock, whatever. The will can speak to that, and the courts have the authority to basically order that be transferred to the requested beneficiary. Again, it's going to be circumstantially dependent on the circumstances of the underlying case. But the thing to take away from this video is, yeah, it is possible to have corporate assets conveyed to one's presumed heir via a Thai will.